I get it. It hurts. You're crushed. You opened up to the girl, and how dare she? How dare she say no to you? That's what you're probably feeling. So today, boys, I'm going to help you out, right? It's not over till your boy says it's over. I'm going to help you get that girl that's already rejected you. Let's hop into this. Number one, actually you don't. You don't go get the girl that's already rejected you. You're going to have to move past this. Look, I know this is not what you want to hear, and I am going to show you how to try to get this girl back. However, the healthiest thing you can do, move past it. There is a plethora of women out there, probably better than the girl that you are in love with, and I know emotionally you can't see that, but logically I promise you it's the truth. But you clicked on this video and you're still watching, which means you want to go in for the ride, the fun ride, the toxic roller coaster where you got to be this high to ride. Which rolls us on to number two. You have to start upgrading. Everything in your life needs to upgrade. Don't focus on her. You got rejected. You're crushed. Put that on pause for a little bit. I want you to level up everything. Your style, your charisma, your grooming, your health, your fitness. Shoot, even your car, your job, your aesthetic, everything should be elevated. Yeah, it is super superficial. I'm gonna be honest with you, it is. But when she sees a major improvement in your life, you're gonna spark curiosity. Now there's interest, like, yo, what's going on there? He should be crushed. Which, by the way, talking about cars, I've been thinking about a giveaway. As you guys know, we're doing our new launch for Essentials March 12th. So literally, 12 days, 2 weeks? If I were you, I would start saving up right now. So March 12th, 10 a.m. Eastern, our first launch of the year. We're not only restocking our heavyweights, which are our best-selling collection yet, we're bringing in 2 new colors for the heavyweights and new pieces. But that's outside from the point. I wanted to do a new giveaway. See, I usually always give away cash. I think the most I've done was $15K. So I'm thinking about this, and wild thought, as I was scripting this video, and I talked about it on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you're probably a little delayed here. What if I give away a car? Now, I talked about leveling everything up. Well, you dudes that buy Essentials, you're doing it because you want to level up your wardrobe. You want to look better. I get that. What if one lucky dude, we could help level up their car? I'm talking about a Tesla Model 3 giveaway. Yo, I mean, I don't know about you. That has me hyped up. Look, I've owned several cars. A Tesla, probably hands down my favorite car. Like, it's literally an iPhone that you drive in. The thing is packed with technology. It's so user-friendly, and it looks sexy. And wearing Essentials, it's gonna look even sexier, boys. I need to know what you think here. See, because the debate that I'm having with my pro members, because that's another thing. I do daily live streams with my pro members every day, 2 p.m. Eastern. We sit down, we chat. They're the ones that give me ideas and all this stuff and get to choose. I'm going to shop the car with them, so if you're not a pro member, I'm going to have the link down below. You should become one. The debate we're having, should I do a car giveaway or should I do a cash giveaway, right? So I could do a Model 3 Tesla or I could do a cash equivalent. However, for the cash one, not one single person is going to get the entire cash. I'll do what I did before. I'll just drop cash in random orders. I want to hear your thoughts down below. Like, yo, come on. This takes us on to number 3. Set aside the ego. If she just rejected you, give her some space. And I know, your ego is broken. How dare she say no to you when you were at your most vulnerable state? And even though your gut reaction is to go back in there and ask her why she said no, try to get her to say yes to remove that pain that you're feeling, giving her space allows you to think, gather your thoughts, think rationally versus acting on emotion. Number 4, flip the script. Let me let you on a little secret that most of you don't know. Most women lead men on because they want to be chased. They want that attention and validation. So they'll flirt with you a little bit here and a little bit there, but whenever you do actually approach and open up your heart, they just flat out reject you. That's until you stop chasing. See, when you stop and stop giving away all the free attention and validation that you used to give her, and only at this time will she'll stop and notice the void and be like, yo, where is he? Where is all that free validation? What is he up to? That's when she'll stroll through your Instagram, check up on you. That's when she's seeing, yo, this dude, he should be crushed. I said no to him, but you're not crushed. You're thriving, my guy. You're growing. Right now, when you flip the tables and went from giving her all that free attention to taking it all away, that's when she starts noticing. This rolls us on to number 5. Fix weaknesses. If you notice that you get rejected a lot, here comes another ego buster. Look, I have no pleasure in telling you this, but the women might be right. There could be something wrong with you. There's something that you're doing, something about your personality, your style, how you are, that's putting off most girls. You can consider this your weakness. By the way, every dude has weaknesses, including myself, and I had to have that same realization to figure out, all right, what are my weaknesses and how can I fix them? See, because some of you might be just coming on too strong. Some of you might be too cocky, too arrogant. Some of you might be too shy, too awkward. Everybody has a defect, and it's usually because of that weakness that so many women are telling you no. And by the way, that is okay. 99% of men will have some sort of weakness. It's the 1% that realize, yo, I have something I need to fix, and you work on it. Those are the dudes that win. 6, now you just want to maintain a civil relationship. Look, if that girl's still your goal, and she rejected you, do everything I just told you, right? Make it seem as if the rejection didn't even affect you. And you want to keep things positive between you and her to keep that door open. This is what's going to throw her off and get her wondering, yo, why is he so chill about this? Why is he so happy? Again, this doesn't mean you're going to give her attention and free of it. No, it's just ending on a good note. And you still keep that door open. It's a civil relationship. Ultimately rolls us on to number 7. You're going to now start talking to other girls. Be friendly. I'm not telling you to lead other women on. Just be friendly. Start networking. Expand your network. Do not focus on the girl that you actually want. The best case scenario here, you're going to run into a girl that you actually like and see that, yo, this girl's actually fire. Like, this girl's better than the girl I was obsessed over. And case closed, I've helped you out. This is best case solution. But worst case scenario that maybe you're still hung up on this girl's going to notice, yo, so wait, he didn't get bothered I rejected him. He's leveling up. Why is everything upgraded? Why is he more attractive? Why is he not giving me attention? And why is he talking and engaging with all these girls on social media? That's when the jealousy kicks in. That's when the, oh crap, I screwed up kicks in. After that, you're welcome. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out don't forget Essentials is dropping March 3rd. Boys, don't forget Essentials is dropping March 12th. I'm going to need your help with this new collection and the giveaway. Let me know down below. That's it for your boy. See you next time.